Okay friends, to get started on our outside window sweep, we want to have the window down so we can access it. Something that you're going to notice is that it runs underneath your outside mirror. So what we're going to need to do is get on the inside here and start loosening up some nuts. Before we can get to that, we need to remove this trim piece right here. It'll just pop right off. Now let's just grab onto this. We'll pull it out of here. So now with that removed, you can see that there's going to be 3 mounting nuts. Well, all we want to do right now is just loosen up the mirror. So let's go ahead and loosen up all 3 of those. The mirror nice and loose, you can see that we're going to be able to get our window sweep under there. We need to continue on with the tool that looks like this, and that's going to pull the window sweep up and off of here. I'm going to start on the far end. Just grab onto it. Lift it up and out of here. There it is. We'll recycle that. Now it's going to be time to get our brand new window sweep in here. Let's go ahead and pull that away from the door. So slide this right in there. Push it as far as I can. At this point, you want to make sure that you're going to line up with the edge of the door. If you don't, you need to just continue pushing. This is looking pretty good. I'm just going to push this down. As you can tell, it's coming right past where it needs to be. At this point, you might notice that it's a little hard to push down. If you just use a rubber mallet, you can help it along. Straight all the way across. Now let's put up the window. Up the glass a little bit. As you can tell, it's touching all the way across. This looks perfect. Up those nuts. All right, now it's going to be time to get this foam piece back in there. Go ahead and squish it down, pack it in there. Now it's going to be time to install our last trim piece here. You're going to notice you have these little flippies that are going to go on the inside of the door panel, and then you have the outer edge that goes along the outer portion. Let's go ahead and slide it down on there. Now I'm going to grab onto this door panel. I'm going to gently pull it away. And then from the back side here, I'm just going to help the little piton down into its hole and put it in.